So HighLevel just released one of its newest updates and it's taking funnels to the next level. So I want to introduce yourself today with you, the Funnel AI Builder, and boy, it's a game changer. So here's what we're going to cover. Right now, when you see what's happening here in the sites and the funnels, there is a new button called Build with AI. It's still in beta, so it's still not perfect, but let's give it a shot. So we're gonna click on it. We're gonna build with AI. So here's the way it works. It gives us a quick foundation. So let's say I wanna set up a VSL funnel. It's a VSL course funnel. I'm gonna put the business niche. So in this case, I wanna select the niche as marketing agency. Goal of this funnel, it should be generate leads. So yeah, I'm gonna do generate leads. Target audience, it should be individuals and consumers. What are you offering? I'm offering a free consultation. Let's do that. So create a landing page, yes. Now, I wanna show you something even better to take the funnel AI to the next step. So even though this gives us some basics, what I would do differently is use ChatGPT to come up with the perfect prompt. So I'm here in ChatGPT and I'm gonna paste this and I'm gonna say, I need you to refine this prompt to create a funnel. I need exact details on high converting funnel elements, color scheme, layout, funnel design, and architecture in extreme detail, and respond in a paragraph, please, no bullet points. So it's thinking, let's give it a little bit, some seconds. And it's refining the prompt for my funnel AI. So now we're talking about. Look at this. So now we have a full prompt. We have a full prompt to give to the funnel AI builder. Now let's try this. So I'm gonna copy and paste this full prompt. I'm gonna copy and paste it here. I'm gonna paste it here. And I'm gonna click on generate. Let's see what happens. So this should take a couple of minutes. Let's wait and see what it comes up with. Okay, so this is the output it has generated it. So I see it as very detailed. Now, I'm not a big fan of some of the specifics, but the prompt overall has been very successful because it has created us the whole skeleton of the funnel without having to give every single specific details. In fact, all of this was created by ChatGPT. So here's what I would do it. Here's why I would do it. What I would do here after this is a couple of things. We will need to insert, if there is any form, we need to pick a form. For example, this one over here. So that's a manual step that needs to be done by ours. It needs to be done by us. Another thing is I would give some feedback here. For example, I don't like the color, so I'm gonna say it. I don't like this color scheme. Can you make it purple and blue with gradient colors? So it should take a couple of minutes as well to work on this request. So now that we requested that, it gives us some questions. It gives us some questions that we need to answer. So I'm gonna pick the following. For one, let's pick A. For two, diagonal 135. And yes, it's okay. So it's gonna keep working based on those specifications. Okay, so much better. So I really like what I see now. I can see that the colors have changed. So now you see this mix of purple and blue as I exactly was requesting. So this is way better than the way we started. It's still not perfect. So what are the next steps here? Now that we have the Funnel AI Builder, without the Funnel AI, building this from scratch will have taken us at least 4 to 5 hours. So we have saved that. And now what we need to do is fine tune the details. So put the specifics of the video URL, the form, make sure the information is right, putting any URL redirect, where do the buttons go, etc. But I hope this video helps. And again, it's a great time saver. If you want to learn more of this stuff, I have a community called the Automation School where we cover these topics. We do 2 calls a week. Every call is recorded. You have access to all the call recordings in perpetuity. You have access to all my automation courses. I have more than 30 plus hours on systems to scale, webinar AI, workflows A to C, the basics, SMS and email wizardry, onboarding, digital tech toolbox, and we're constantly covering new topics which are in the call recordings. And the best part, you get unlimited Q&A with me 24/7, so you can ask any question that you want. And the groups are typically small. We get very few people on the calls just because I don't have that many affiliates yet. And the way to sign up for this is you need to be my affiliate on the unlimited or the pro plan, or you can upgrade to the unlimited or the pro plan under me. And my links are in the description below if you're interested in getting this knowledge for basically free.